In broad terms, there are basically two ways to assess whether a buying opportunity is actually an opportunity. The more sophisticated people will do cash flow forecasts and NPVs, and I believe in those, and I believe in formal business education, and those should be done. The problem is whatever assumptions you put in are very subjective, and many people put unrealistic growth assumptions in order to justify paying a certain price for an asset. Sometimes in a recession, you need to go back to basics like, what was the price at the peak? Am I paying half the price? And if you're paying half the price of what the peak was, you're starting from a very good base. Your cost base, other things being equal, is going to be half of the person who paid for the same asset at the peak. Another way of looking at it is replacement cost. I mean, assets, were built at some stage using all the cost inputs of the time, and all of a sudden you can pick them up for a third of replacement cost. That's also very valuable. So, just look at the correction from the peak is my advice.